Welcome to Sonic Sciences. Everything vibrates. Everything. Sonic Sciences presents Quantum Resonance and Sonic Relics. Do objects actually hold energy? What we call solid matter is an illusion. Beneath the surface, every atom is a dance of energy, resonating at a unique frequency, singing in a cosmic symphony. If vibration is the fundamental nature of reality, then what happens when objects are exposed to energy over time? Could it be that certain things, musical instruments, heirlooms, sacred artifacts, carry an imprint of those who have touched them, played them, lived with them? Do objects remember? Can matter retain the resonance of the past? And if so, can we consciously charge objects with energy? Can we imbue them with intent, with sound, with meaning? This is Sonic Sciences. This is an intersection of quantum mechanics, vibrational philosophy, and metaphysical science, where sound, memory, and energy converge. A guitar is not just wood and strings. An amplifier is not just circuits and tubes. These are sonic relics, resonant bodies that vibrate with the energy of every note, every hand that has ever touched them, every frequency that has ever passed through them. It's often said that some guitars play themselves, that certain instruments feel alive, that they hold a presence, a voice, a force of their own. Because sound is not just heard, it is felt. And when a guitar is played night after night, when an amplifier roars decade after decade, these objects become saturated with the frequencies of the past. Think of it like a tape recorder. Magnetic tape captures sound and plays it back. But what if wood, metal, circuitry, and stone also record energy? Perhaps the invisible resonance of every performance lingers within an instrument, waiting to be awakened by the next player. Is this why some instruments feel magical? Is this why we revere the guitars of legends, the amps that shaped history? If sound waves can shatter glass, rearrange sand, and sculpt physical matter, then what do they do to the objects they pass through over time? Quantum mechanics tells us something utterly astonishing. The mere act of observing something alters its state. The infamous double-slit experiment proved that particles behave differently when watched. Now think about that. If observation alone changes reality, what happens when we touch, play, or use something over and over again? What if the objects we interact with daily, rings, guitars, heirlooms, relics, carry the imprint of our energy? If a musician spends years playing a guitar, does it retain something of them? If a ring has been passed through generations, does it whisper with the emotions of its past owners? If a sacred object has been prayed over, meditated with, or held in moments of power, does it radiate something beyond its physical form? Consciousness itself can affect the quantum world, then surely objects do not simply exist in isolation. They exist within fields of energy. And we, as vibrational beings, charge them with our presence. This is where science meets magic. A charged object is one that has been infused with focused intention, sonic resonance, or deep human emotion. Some are obvious, a sacred relic, an heirloom, a musician's favorite instrument. Others are seemingly mundane, a childhood teddy bear, an old book, a piece of jewelry, but they all share a common truth. We leave traces of ourselves on the things we touch. And if we are intentional, we can program objects with energy. Charging an object is not just ritual, it is science in action. Intentional imbuement, holding an object while focusing on a specific thought, energy, or desire, imprints it with intention. Sonic charging, exposing an object to specific frequencies, alters its energetic field. Just as sound can shatter glass, it can also embed vibration into matter. Electromagnetic programming. The human body is an electromagnetic generator. Strong emotional states, love, power, grief, imprint energy into everything we touch. This is why some rings feel heavy with history, why some guitars seem to have a voice of their own, why some objects feel inherently powerful. We are not just receivers of energy, we are transmitters. Now let's take this from theory to reality. What if we could scientifically demonstrate that objects hold vibrational memory? The experiment begins. Step 1. Baseline measurement. Measure an object's vibrational frequency before exposure to energy. Step 2. Energetic exposure. Charge the object using sound, intention, or physical interaction. Step 3. Post-test analysis. We observed significant changes in electromagnetic fields, with readings spiking by 15%. Vibratory analysis revealed a 10 Hz increase, indicating heightened activity. Temperature measurements showed a 2-degree rise, suggesting energy absorption. These results imply that the objects indeed hold and possibly amplify energy. Step 4. The human perception test. Present 2 identical objects, one charged with energy, one not. Participants are asked to discern any differences. Can they sense the unseen energy? If objects truly hold sonic and energetic imprints, the data will reveal it. A breakthrough in understanding human perception. This is not just speculation, it's a rigorous scientific inquiry into the realm of vibrational science, where the mysteries of energy and perception collide. This is the ultimate realization. We are not just passive observers of the world. We are creators, manipulators, conductors of energy. Objects are not lifeless. They are vibrational archives holding the echoes of history. A guitar is not just wood and strings. It is a vessel of sonic memory. A ring is not just metal and stone. It is a charged artifact of human connection. A relic is not just an object. It is a frequency frozen in time. We live in a world woven from vibration, resonance, and memory. And now the journey begins to explore, test, and reveal the unseen forces that shape our reality. The synopsis of the journey through sonic sciences reveals the profound impact of sound and resonance on all objects and our reality. As we continue to explore these sonic relics, we invite you to join us in this scientific adventure. These thoughts are shared to help you understand that external energy affects everything, especially you. These pieces of the puzzle are offered to assist in solving the the mysteries of light, sound, and frequency. Use them and raise your frequency. Subscribe to Sonic Sciences, share this video, and stay tuned for more insights into the world of quantum resonance and sonic energy vibration. Start a conversation in the comments below, and suggestions are encouraged. May the Force be with you.